Good morning. This is call number 2020-30865 in the interest of Angelo Vasquez. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Sir?
Yes, John.
All right. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Marcus Vasquez, father.
All right. And representing the father?
Maria Schneble, Your Honor.
All right. And representing the Attorney General's office?
Good morning, Judge. Kavita Sharma for the Attorney General.
All right. The court will note that the custodial parent, Perla Salinas, is not present. She was personally served on October 26th. (2020). And she also signed a reset order. No, she didn't sign that. Sorry? No, it's Sharday Parker. Okay, anyway, she was, oh, I see. It's further down on the second page. She signed a reset order setting this matter for hearing today, Zoom hearing, and she is not checked in. Is that correct, Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, and we'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. And I would also like to ask the court to take judicial notice of the genetic test results that do not exclude Mr. Marcus Xavier Vasquez as the Angelo Javier Vasquez.
We'll note that the DNA test report would indicate that the alleged father, Marcus Vasquez, is not excluded as the biological father of the tested child, Angelo Vasquez, the child is subject to this suit. All right. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. I'd like to call Mr. Marcus Vasquez.
Okay.
Mr. Vasquez, have you been a part of this child's life?
Yes, ma'am.
And would you like the judge to make you a joint managing conservator and establish a legal relationship between you and the child, Angelo Vasquez?
Yes, ma'am.
And does the child live with you currently?
No, ma'am.
Who does the child live with?
Perla Salinas.
Does she live in Harris County?
I believe so, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order her to maintain the child's primary residence in Harris County or contiguous counties?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to allow you to have standard possession order with the child with pickup and drop off at 3209 North Main Street in Baytown, Texas, which is O'Reilly Auto Parts?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to keep your information confidential because Ms. Perla knowing where you live, Ms. Perla Salinas knowing where you live may cause you harassment or undue harm?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you think that, sir?
It has happened in the past, Your Honor.
Tell me the last time and what happened.
I believe the last time, I don't remember the date, but she was seen outside my apartment in front of the gate, and she had followed our roommates and had threw my sister-in-law's phone out the car and everything to try to find out exactly where we lived.
And that was how long ago?
I'd say it was last year.
Okay, and there's been other incidences like that?
She's been seen posted up outside in the front of the entrance.
Okay. All right, go ahead, Ms. Sharma.
And likewise, is Ms. Salinas requesting that her address, I mean, obviously she's not here, but do you know where she lives?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And the state would ask that her address be kept confidential from you as well, considering the past history of violence between the two of you. And are you currently working, Mr. Vasquez?
No, ma'am.
So are you asking the court to set child support based on a minimum wage presumption?
Yes, ma'am.
And you would agree that you will pay child support at $189 a month beginning January 1, 2020?
Yes, ma'am.
2022.
Sorry, yes, 2022. Thank you, Ms. Smedley. And do you know how your child is currently covered under health insurance?
I believe under Medicaid, ma'am.
And are you agreeing to reimburse the state at $57 a month beginning January 1, 2022 for the health insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have any other children that reside with you?
Yes, I have a daughter.
Okay. And are you asking the court to set retroactive child support from August of 2021, rendering a judgment against you for $1,134?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you agreeing to
The retroactive child support, or the order says at the 18th of July, 2021.
Oh, yes, Judge, I'm sorry, July 18th, 2021. I misspoke, Judge, I had it written down in my notes wrong, but yes, July 18th, 2021 to December 14th, 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
December 15th.
Yes, Judge. And are you agreeing to pay $56 a month?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Judge, I need coffee this morning. I'm sorry, I keep messing up my numbers. And are you agreeing to pay any uncovered health insurance at 50% and the mom be ordered to pay 50%?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you agreeing to pay court costs if you're billed for those?
Yes, ma'am.
And Judge, I pass this witness.
Ms. Schnabel, do you have any questions for Mr. Vasquez?
I have no questions, Judge.
All right, and you're in agreement with this order also?
Yes, I am.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we all be excused?